As I begin to tell you a story so important to me, she picks me up from my house as we head for our journey, and her name is with our chemistry and made traffic like an open highway, singing songs I normally wouldn't sing. So I started to think, could this really be happening? Could this be a possibility between a girl like her and a guy like me? I never thought that this could be alive. Kids without a care in a world full of obstacles. I've got that warm chill feeling, I know this is right. As we progress into the night, it finally occurs to me it's time to go for the kill. So grab your girl and make the move, and her name is intense sex in the air. My hand runs through her hair, making moves I never thought I could make. My mind's spinning as our bodies move to the same rhythm. Could this be a possibility between a girl like her and a guy like me? I never thought that this could be alive. Kids without a care in a world full of obstacles. I've got that warm chill feeling, I know this is right. So I started to pray. Dear sir, forgive me for the events that have occurred, and I promise you that I'll treat her in a selfless way that I know you'd expect from me. That I know you'd expect from me. What should I do? Should I let it be? Should I go for what I believe in? What happens next really bothers me. You see other people, it's okay, 'cause I will too. 'Cause I know someday if I just sit and pray, it'll bring me straight to you. And although things can't work right now, I respect what you must choose. 'Cause patience always makes perfect. Yeah, a fraction of time is worth all of eternity. Since the last time I've seen her, I'd say about 6 months or so. The potential we have for each other is something that we'll never know.
Tried to decide, talk of a rainstorm, tell someone of the sights, the smell, the sound of rain. Have you ever felt the touch of a raindrop splashing upon your skin? Have you ever wanted to walk in a rainstorm, silver remnants of a cloud, held in a sky of blue? Have you ever felt the touch of a raindrop splashing upon your skin? Have you ever watched the colors of a rainstorm from gray to blue on a Thursday afternoon?